This is how you can get a refund from Hostinger. So step one is you're going to make sure that you back up everything. So before requesting a refund, download all your website files, databases, emails, media, because services will be canceled and data will be lost. Now step two is you're going to go to your invoices list. So from the dashboard of your Hostinger page, you're going to head over to billing from the left side panel right here, and then you're just going to click on that, and then from here you will see all of your subscriptions. Now let's just head over to that payment history where we can find our payment invoices. Now from here we're just going to look at, or we're just going to look for the paid invoices, and then we're going to look for the button that says refund invoice, or like a refund button. So browse the last 30 days. If the invoice is eligible for refund, you will see a refund button around right here or wherever. But if you are not eligible for refund, you will not be able to see it. So as you can see, my account is no longer available or is no longer eligible for refund, so it is not showing up right here. Now step four is if you have seen it or if you have it, you can click on refund, and then you're going to confirm that you understand data loss, and then you can check the box acknowledging data will be lost, and then click on next and submit request. Now after that, just pick whatever you want to refund to your original payment method or to your Hostinger balance for use later. Now step five is you're just going to choose your refund method, and then you're just going to pick you want the refund to your original payment method or your Hostinger balance, and that's it. After that, you're going to submit your request, and Hostinger will email you for confirmation. Now what are you going to do in cases that you no longer see it? Now what you're going to do is you're just going to head over to the Hostinger help. So you're just going to find it maybe right here, or you can directly search it from your Google. So we're just going to type in Hostinger help center, and then from there we are going to send an email wherein we want to refund our payment, and that's it. After that, you will get your 30-day money back guarantee that applies to most hosting, but domain registrations, renewal, and some add-ons are non-refundable. Now if you choose refund to hosting your balance, that amount cannot be moved back to your bank later, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.